Okay, so forgot my hat. 20 degrees, lightly snowing. Today I'm going to put garage doors down below. Well, not garage doors. I'm going to plug the holes better than a tarp, basically. So that's what the goal is today. I'm just going to I have one extra garage door. I'm going to put that in the hole. And I've got my panels that I showed you earlier down below. I'm going to put more of those in. Hey! Rusty! Hey! Come on! So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so what we did down below, tried to patch the holes with anything I could find. So what we ended up with was 2 pieces of garage door, 2-inch, 1-inch styrofoam, just plug in the hole. This one over here, that only took 3 garage doors. So at least now it's sealed. I've screwed them shut so that wind is not going to push them open. This one too. Whoa, this is all icy. These are all solid. This is probably going to be the permanent solution. I'll have these with hinges and I'll be able to open them on and on and on. So, now I don't have tarps covering the holes anymore, so that's good. How convenient. Which I can use to cover this thing. If you ever want a video of some guy covering a generator with a tarp? I have. Finally, I have it. I never have to want for that anymore. Oh, I never covered that before. Okay, so yeah, that's all sealed. This end one, I left that tool cover on there because I can still get in and out, and it actually does a pretty decent job. So, in case you ever wanted to know, there it is. Boy, these videos sure are getting exciting, aren't they?